Looking for an e-bike that's built to go the distance? Meet the FUELL Flluid, the ultimate long-range electric bike designed for city commuters and adventure seekers alike. The FUELL Flluid combines a sleek aluminum alloy frame with integrated batteries and a futuristic look. Plus, its low-maintenance carbon belt drive means no greasy chains to worry about. Equipped with dual 1000Wh batteries, the FUELL Flluid offers an impressive range of up to 125 miles on a single charge. Perfect for long commutes, weekend adventures, or exploring the city without range anxiety. Powered by a 750W mid-drive motor, the Flluid delivers up to 100 Nm of torque for smooth acceleration and effortless hill climbing. Whether you prefer pedal assist or throttle mode, this bike adapts to your riding style. The intuitive LCD display shows real-time data like speed, battery status, and riding mode. Plus, the FUELL app allows you to track your rides, set preferences, and even lock your bike remotely. For added peace of mind, the FUELL Flluid features hydraulic disc brakes for precise stopping power and front suspension for a smoother ride on rough terrain. With its exceptional range, powerful motor, and sleek design, the FUELL Flluid is built to redefine your riding experience. Whether you're commuting or exploring, this e-bike is ready for the journey. Worried about bike theft? The FUELL Flluid comes equipped with a pin-coded locking system right on the display, adding an extra layer of security. Plus, with the FUELL app, you can track your bike's location and receive alerts if it's moved unexpectedly. Long rides? No problem. The ergonomic saddle and adjustable handlebars ensure maximum comfort, while the wide tires provide excellent traction and stability for city streets or off-road paths. Whether you're navigating steep inclines, uneven roads, or cruising flat city streets, the FUELL Flluid handles it all with power and precision. Plus, the seamless gear shifting system ensures a smooth and effortless ride every time. The FUELL Flluid is more than just an e-bike, it's a powerful, reliable, and stylish ride built for those who want to travel farther without compromise.